like to spend a few minutes and talk about what I think I call mixed mode development in co-model I/O. I probably should have called it multimodal or something. You can develop the model manually and then use the AI assistant to elaborate the model that you just created, or you can use the AI assistant to create a model. You can then manually modify it as you choose, and then go back and ask the AI assistant to elaborate some aspect of it if you like. So the options or the utility is sort of dependent upon how or to what extent you want to investigate some aspect of the model. In addition to that, you can take a snapshot of this image. You can put it in a Google slide, and you can dump it into NotebookLM and have it create you a podcast about the image. Listen to the podcast, which is likely to spark additional aspects of the model that you want to focus on or investigate. You can take a JPEG or a snapshot of the model. You can drop it into one of the LLMs and ask it questions about the image. And when it gives you a description of the image, you can pump that back into NotebookLM and have it create a podcast from that description. And I also drop the reasoning history pieces into separate inputs into a NotebookLM notebook for each one of the models that I'm investigating, because I might have it create a podcast from the image of the model, the image and these two reasoning histories. I might create a podcast from one of the reasoning histories. I mean, it's the options are sort of endless, depending upon the extent that you really want to investigate the set of relationships and their implications. And the more dimensions, I find that the more aspects that I bring to bear on the question, the better understanding that seems to develop. I've repeatedly told people that given any piece of software that will draw a piece of text in a line, I can create a relationship model of what I think or what I think I know, though the software is of absolutely no use to me in creating a relationship model that contains what I don't know, which is where the power of the LLMs comes in from my perspective, because I continually look at models that they develop, and I say, well, I wouldn't have thought of that or that or that. So by manually creating what I think I know or understand, and then asking the AI assistant to elaborate it, or using the AI assistant, and then using some other facilities like NotebookLM to give me another perspective, or one of the LLM chatbots to give me additional perspectives. By using all of those various and sundry avenues, I think it gives me a stronger understanding of what it is that I'm investigating. So that's my take on the utility of co-model I/O in a multimodal framework. So see you in another video soon.